how to go paperless in your State Farm account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So tired of receiving piles of insurance papers in your mailbox? Going paperless with State Farm is a simple way to stay organized and access everything online. So, going paperless means you'll receive your important documents digitally instead of by mail. This includes all the bills, payment notices, policy documents, insurance cards, claim updates, and more. So, people switch to paperless for convenience, faster updates, less clutter, for reducing paper usage, and to be eco friendly. So first things first, open up your Chrome or any other browser and go to statefarm.com. Then you can log into your account and then scroll down to the bottom, and then uh, you'll be able to see Go Paperless option. So here you'll need to click on the Go Paperless link, and then you'll need to switch your preferences to paperless and update your email and phone numbers so that you can receive notifications and all the documents there, and then hit save. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.